All right, finally live. Cool. So let's go ahead, share this screen. So Tradovate is down. I took this trade on Apple. Maybe we'll go over it, but I just want to talk real quick. Tradovate is down. I can't place any orders. That probably means a lot of trading prop firms are down as well. So no trading. Can't paper trade, but like I would probably be in this one right now. Really tight. First position. So there you go. M&Q's looking bullish. It was bullish. A lot of the price action is bullish right now. Let's see. We gotta open up some Tradezilla. I mean, hopefully it starts working. I keep getting an internal error. So Tradovate's down, but let's look at the news. And if we stay down till like for the next 30 minutes or so, I'm probably just gonna jump off early, call it a morning. Got 5 a.m. news, PMI. So here you go. That's that error. Tried going to Tradovate itself. Tried using a TradingView plugin. It's just not working. It's a good lesson that maybe you should have two different brokerages to trade from. And there you go. It's a quick in and out trade. You're in it and out for a minute. This is a mid-range trade right here. So you would have won that one. Let's get bookmap orders up. See what's happening there. Dude, am I sharing screen? Yes, okay, cool. Yeah. It'd be funny just talking this whole time. No one to tell me that, hey buddy, your screen's not even being shared. Okay. Yeah, so MES still has room to move to the upside according to bookmap. But it looks like M&Q is a little bit more bearish this morning, which means tech stocks will be bearish. We'll take a look at that in a second and compare. Yeah, MES kind of red. So there we go. So here we have a mid-range trade that worked out, followed by, I would wait 2 more minutes. Let's see. No, I would be in M&Q. I would take M&Q short right now, back into range, especially like with the bookmap orders and just this choppy momentum. First candle of the day, 2-minute candle of the day on M&Q was bearish. So this is a potential move right here. 1 minute's already closed below. 2-minute looks like it's going to close below as well. How's Bitcoin? How's XRP? Get the left why I bought XRP yet. It's funny. Here we go. Bitcoin dropping, tech stocks dropping, MES dropping. So good entry here. This is a back into range play. This is a little bit more cleaner just because you could see that prices below both VWAP. I think, hold on. So yesterday's VWAP, New York VWAP below as well. Also have this like ascending channel range here. And I used to trade those all the time. This right here. Oh. You know, ascending, boom. So that's unfortunate that trading view is down. I mean, Tradovate. So I guess like there really is nothing to do other than watch. Can't do anything. Dang. All the other ones working. It's allowing me to connect or log in. That sucks, dude. It's like just missed 2 trades. I think there's like that was the 4th. $24 minutes ago. Yeah, this has happened twice. So everyone seems to be pretty frustrated. I mean, when this is a person's livelihood, there you go, bang, hit, back into range, hit, profit. Not so much on M&Q though, but I think it still goes lower. How's the bookmap? Yep, still got room to move down on MES and M&Q. 5200s. See if it comes back down to this. So this is where the orders are, but maybe squeeze a little bit more profit out there. So MES, like I said, it was the cleaner move. We have that ascending channel. Then now, do we have a potential back into range trade here? Could work out. I wouldn't enter it just yet, just because price on M&Q has not successfully closed above the New York VWAP. I would want to wait for the 2-minute candle to close above it. Oh man. Down. We back up. We're back in. We're up. Yup. Let's go. We're back up, dude. Well, okay. I don't know why. I guess trading views lagging. But can't trade it now. Can't trade anything just yet. If I had refresh just 30 seconds sooner, I could have been in this trade. Don't think that way. There'll be opportunities here. I think we might have another handoff opportunity. So missing 2 trades in a row. Oh, tick, tack, 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 tack. So that's unfortunate, but we got this. So
You have the magic touch. My Tradovate is not working.
I'm talking to my son right now. He's trading too, but this whole down server thing, we missed two entries. So now I could log in my phone. I could log on Tradovate, trader.tradovate.com. I just can't log in with TradingView. So we'll get a handoff position, hopefully. But before we do that, let me journal these two trades right here. Oh.
So you're gonna place it on your phone?
No, I'm using trader.tradovate.com. Look in Discord. I put in the link.
Oh yeah, I know it works.
Oh yeah, you could use your phone though. If it's easier because you don't have that dashboard. For some reason, my son doesn't have this dashboard up here. Anyway. Q. So it's 5 o'clock now. As I mentioned yesterday, it's like, Reed, this is the first full body. Why didn't you put your handoff here? It's because it's such a large movement. Like if it was this small a body, I would have anchored it here at this level. But seeing that this is such a large level or a large candlestick, see how much of a difference that makes? I'm going to stick to when it breaks out of the range. So that's a little discretionary, but discretion can turn into rules. So I'm just going to eventually update my trading plan, maybe later today, with how to approach the handoff or how to actually place the handoff trade. But yeah, it's going nicely. We got bookmap orders still showing bearish momentum. 6,900s at the most on MES. So we have room to go. Just there's no opportunities for me in my edge right now. So I'm just gonna sit and wait patiently. And place it in trade floor. Man, I keep tick-tacking on this keyboard. this thing's just gonna tank all morning, I feel like. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Everything is bearish. It is what it is. It's part of trading, man. You have days like this. Here's MQ. Go getting a rejection. I want to be very careful not to feel like I'm rushing into a trade. Like, as much as I want to place an entry here, I'm not going to just base it, especially when there's a trend, I'm not going to base it off of a single candle, because price could just kind of go like this, or just one, a couple candles here. But I just want better confirmation that maybe we continue. I'm not feeling FOMO. I'm not feeling like, oh shoot, I need to get in the market. This is moving without me. If it does, we wait and go on to tomorrow. Like, it's no big deal. We've logged trades that would have won. In my mind, this is not on us. Like, this is as a trader, the worst thing I could do now is force an entry on something out of FOMO after missing this trade, after missing this trade. We're not going to do that. We're just going to approach this with a clear, calm mind and wait for proper entry. We already know that we're looking for shorts. We don't want to go long. We have so many things against us here if we're trying to go long, but we have so many things for us. Let me name them. We got this low range here. Prices below the New York VWAP. Prices below yesterday's VWAP. And prices below this New York VWAP. Handoff. And we are in a bear trend. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in favor of the short side. Maybe 6 things, including Bookmap. Let's go to Bookmap. 6 things with Bookmap. Still heavy orders down here. There's no 200 orders above us. Well, there's 440 at 7,000, but I'm not going to say it can't go there. It definitely can, but just at current price right now, I'm short bias. This could absolutely break back into the range and provide us with a nice long to that 7,000 level that's on Bookmap. But I don't think that's going to happen, but we'll see. So here we go. Let's see what happens here. 40 seconds. The thing about this one is a safe stop loss would be like up here, but that is steep. Like, if we size up, can I even? Okay, so we're gonna just have to use paper trading for sizing purposes. It's a $300 stop loss right here. See, that's too steep for me. I'm not gonna risk $300 on that. But maybe something like this, so that's M and Q, that's MES. Let's see what it wants to do. Maybe it pulls back to the New York VWAP. Maybe it cuts through the New York VWAP, providing a back into range play. But with current price action overall, At this very moment of me saying this, bears have been in control. I have a squeeze strategy. That's a strategy where once price breaks twice above the handoff like this, you could go long and the profit target would be here, but there's no opportunity for me right now to do that. Got more orders on M and Q coming through. So this could be a trade. This would be a potential squeeze trade, but per textbook, this is not a textbook squeeze. It's a nice pullback though. So I'm going to jog this down. Yeah, squeeze is basically a reversal trade. There we go. Let's kind of size this one up. If you went one contract, 117. So that it's not a bad trade. $200 risk for $117 gain. It's like a 0.5 value, you know, but pretty solid. So I'm going to take a screenshot actually. Interesting. So yeah, look at that. That's a nice pullback. Clean U. I don't trade U's. I don't even know what that would mean. Now this is something I would like right there. Much less risk on the table. So that's the initial squeeze entry. MES, very nice. Very, very nice. Be looking at something like that, maybe. Because M&Q is still bearish. MES still got a little bit of strong bull orders on top, but that's not a concern necessarily. We'll wait for what this 2-minute candle holds. Because initial bias is, there you go. Hit profit target hit on M&Q. Yeah. So that's how that would look. Let's go ahead and take a screenshot. Put that here. All right, we're just gonna leave that guy right there. Nice play right there. Let's go ahead and remove these drawings. So we could get a potential bounce play. Price does something like this. Yeah. And it closes below. That'll be a bounce. Like in this. Now we could even get tighter with our stop loss. I'm going to take this one. We'll go to all right. 150. $69.30.75. 30.75. Boom. All right, so this is what I'm looking at right now. This is it's pretty much a bounce play. Bounce because price is rejecting off this New York view up here, and I'm taking it short. Q. Again, very similar price action. What is more bearish? Let's find out. Oh, that's choppy right there. Look at that on MES. MNQ as well. It's kind of like in this. What does it want to do? Nice 5-minute close. Got a few more seconds. 12 seconds before 15-minute. If I see a 2-minute strong bullish close here, I'll take this back into range play. But right now, we'll remain patient. So we'll squeeze out some, or reduce risk rather, because this looked like it could be going. So if MES provides a better opportunity, well, yeah, if MES provides an opportunity, why did I say MES? MNQ provides, sorry, I was correct. If MES provides a long opportunity here, and MNQ confirms it with a break above New York VWAP, I'll absolutely take this back into range long on MNQ. So I'll be looking for something like this. Back into range. But like I said, price has been in a bear trend this morning. Really testing this New York VWAP level. I like it. Maybe it could have got a little bit tighter on the VWAP, but I mean, essentially it's right here. It's going off of that 512 candle. So right here, 69.30.75. 69.30.75, yeah. $45 right now, minus 45. Not liking it too much, but see, like MES is a little more bullish looking than MNQ is. MES is now, there's a lot more orders coming up. 6945. Yeah, that's where I have my stop loss. 6945.50. Yeah, so right here is probably some profit takers or entry orders, stop loss orders. All we know is that these are orders coming in. A lot more orders for the 69.10 levels and below. So 69.10 could be the target here, which is just at that range, but that could be also, again, stop loss orders. I would like to take profit right there. Be nice. Q might be providing a single entry right here. Take profit right there. This would be a cleaner bounce play. Boy, what an action-packed morning already, huh? So trades taken. This is going to be MES. I'll bounce. Short. If we look at the strategies, bounce play is 79% win rate. 3.6 has the highest profit factor to return ratio. This 2-minute candle just formed, but that's a nice rejection, a nice 2-minute rejection off of the New York View app. But it's quite choppy up in there. Yeah, price is kind of a little, I'm seeing a little indecision here because I see it. I see there's opportunities to go short and long. M&Q, a little bit more bearish though, a lot of short orders. MES, now the short orders are kind of filling out. Like, hey, maybe we want to continue this trade. This would be a textbook bounce play. If it or not if or when it breaks below this handoff trade based off of that 1-minute candle that I mentioned earlier in the stream. If you anchored it here, it would have looked different, especially if price is gapping a little bit more down to the downside, but they're kind of lining up now. So you could have it either here or here. This is the official handoff range or handoff. So we could do it like this. And that's more for trying to look to enter the market. Oh, nice rejection off of the handoff. That's beautiful. Maybe we want to go long. Yes, a lot of orders, yeah. Yeah, orders are getting taken off on the downside. I like it. Just want the 2-minute to close above the New York VWAP though. Now my bias may be changing though. The way price is reacting. Just gotta wait. Sit and wait. This might be a little longer session. At first, it was going to be a quick session because Tradovate was down, but now the Tradovate is back up. We live. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. So we're not going to take a bounce play. Take it back into range play. The orders there. Orders seem to be there. MES. Nice back into range play. Oh, okay. So I got taken out for 128. That's fine. So I was taken out here. I put my stop here instead of 69.45. Okay, that's fine. So taking out for first loss. That is MES. We're looking bullish though. Boom. Bounce play does not work. There we go. M and Q. Two different charts now. Oh, M and Q. This is 2 minutes. Oh, that's holding, bruh. That is a beautiful hold. Well, wait. 20 seconds. That's a nice trade right there. Will it hold? Will this 2 minute hold? I think it will sustain it. Got MES that's bullish, MEQ that's bullish, and bullish orders. Yeah, that's confirmed. We'll go. Bam. Ooh. Tough entry. Yeah, that's rough. Got in at a pretty bad entry. 25. 27838.
Tradovate is still down, but I logged into NinjaTrader. Is that okay?
Yeah, as long as it works. Your trader.tradovate isn't working.
It is, but I don't know.
Oh.
Like,
Oh yeah, you don't have the dashboard. Yeah.
and I don't know how to really properly put it correctly.
No. All right. My son said Tradovate is still down. Back into range long. Wait a minute. This is 25278. 25278. 25278.38. Okay. News. Crude oil. So not much left. MES. Yeah, MES is nice. Finally breaks above yesterday's VWAP. Yeah, I mean, bias has absolutely changed. This is the changeover right here. This is the confirm changeover because now it's above yesterday's VWAP. Stocks or Mag 7 now bullish as well, above New York VWAP. And if you notice, the New York VWAP doesn't break out of the range to the downside, meaning that overall the bulls are absolutely in control. Same with MES. The New York VWAP doesn't break below the low of range yet. So this will be a back into range play. Shorts are not off the table because we could enter here with another bounce play, so that because it is creating a lower low, it has the potential that that's what it's forming. Here you go. There's the lower low, lower low, lower high. Sorry. My verbiage sometimes gets a little mixed up. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this long now. It's tricky. Yeah, so I'm nearly 300 in the red. We'll see what happens. Not really liking that 2-minute close though. If it breaks a little below this range, I think I'll be out. Yeah. 5-minute doesn't sustain it. Two 25173, 25173. Okay, so now why would I be long here if price has been bearish all morning is a question I'm asking myself. Because this doesn't seem very bullish to me now. Testing this levels again. Oh yeah, 5:30 got a little bit of news, right? So it's gonna like kind of shake it up a little bit, but not too much. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna close this one. Total 410 down on the day. That's pretty rough, but we got one more opportunity right here. I think I want to see this short come through. Near my max cap. Oh, let's see what happens. Bearish day. Yeah, that was kind of a mistake here because I'm like, okay, that does create a lower high, lower low in the market. We're just going to go with one contract. Yeah, it's kind of choppy. We throw on another, excuse me, throw on another VWAP, handoff Oh, this is the 2 minute, 1 minute here. Yeah, that'll be a nice play there for shorts. Continuation, but I think, yeah, it's just choppy right now. So lower lows, lower highs. Nice. I want to be an M and Q. $25,19513. $5.13. Was that it? $25,195. Interesting. It's not letting me do like exactly 1.3. Oh, I see. It's because this is demo. That's why. Or paper trading. Oh, look at MES is a lot cleaner. Don't want to over risk, so we got buy stop there, buy limit. $6,928. $280, yeah. $6,955. Yep, $6,955. Take profit, $6,91575. Yeah, move it up just a little bit. Okay. That's that. And then M&Q. How are the orders? 16 to 910 is the level. Yeah, so that's good. And then M&Q orders 25,149. Yeah, so it's going to take like around here. Here. Probably won't end the day green. And that's fine. It's just mainly to reduce some loss. I had two good trading days, Can't win every single day. That's fine. It's looking nice. This is a bounce play. Textbook bounce. Oh, Tradovate. So I should have gotten out here, right? But like according to this level, 25,13875. 375. What did it say that I got on this? Positions. No. Orders. Maybe trade performance. It's interesting. I've never like used this. So I got $80 on that one trade that I just closed. Okay. Interesting. Wow, look at that rejection. 538. There's no news. So what's happening in the market? So MNQ loss, but then we get MNQ short. What was it? It was a bounce play. When? Wow, that bounced off. Just chop. Yeah, we're done. Done for the day, dude. Exit. How do I? There we go. We'll just close them down. 303 on the day. Could have been better, but it is what it is. No news. Oh, Trump just completed an excellent call with China's president. Is that what drove the market up? That's funny, dude. Do we hit this level again? Nah, there's not even orders. There's orders at 25,100, but nothing more. All right, this is a bounce play. Now we got a higher low. Is this where the back into range play hits? So we got a bounce. Yeah, why is it not? Wait for that 2 minute. There we go. Bulls taking control. See what happens on that 2 minute though. We got 30 seconds. This one I'll be going long once. One trade. We ain't doing that doubles. Bookmap is looking bullish. Didn't get that. Didn't get that back into range play. Like I said, market's bearish. Why am I trying to go long so fast? Copy link. This is a back into range and bounce. I think so. It's like 1 win out of 3 trades for bounces this morning. There we go. There we go. Let's remove the drawings. Let's remove these drawings. Let's get a new handoff position here. So one thing that I like to do that's also not necessarily in my plan is I will place the handoff on the most recent break of the range. It's kind of relevant on the previous one, but more relevant here. Do that with MES, but MES, this would be it here. So still rejection. Kind of like squeezing between these VWAPs is not a good time. I don't like it. So I'm gonna call it soon. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. It was a morning. Tradovate was down, ending the day red. What are we at? Minus 303 for the day. But you know, the last few days we've been trading really good. So it is what it is. On to the next. It's quite choppy right now. I don't want to be in this market when it's choppy like this, especially with Tradovate acting up. We missed 2 entries today. You know, we would have been done before 5 o'clock. But it is what it is. That's trading. But all right, I'm done. So see you guys when I see you guys. Shoot.